Dear friends, welcome back to my channel Tally Online Classes. In this video I am going to explain how to download Tally latest version Tally Prime. For this you have to go to tallysolutions.com/downloads. Then click here to download. I have already downloaded this file. Now I am going to install this setup file. This is the file, setup file. I am going here, see downloads, this file, this is I am going to install on my system. Say click yes. Click on select path. Here I am going to install in C drive. Drive C, Tally Prime. Okay. Install now. Click on install now. Configure. Go to configure. Click here. C:/Tally files. Tally Prime Prime. Okay, that's it. Okay, I install. I click on install. This is a demo version. I am using as a demo version because I have not updated TSS subscription. Once you installation successful, start Tally Prime. See, Tally Prime has been installed in my system. To activate Tally Prime, you must have a Tally subscription up to date because you have to renew. Once you renew Tally ERP9 to latest version, I mean your subscription must be up to date. Here it is asking the configuration gateway server is not compatible with the Tally Prime. Please connect the reactivate. Here I am using this button, that is continue in educational mode. Okay, this is the way you can download Tally Prime on your laptop. Say like that, it is showing my entire data. I don't want to here. I want to create new one. Specify for here C:/Tally Prime. So there is no directory here. I am going to create one directory, create a new company, test, state Tamil Nadu, then India. Okay, started from 1/4/2001. Accounting, maintaining accounting, yes. Enable bill wise. Okay. If you want to enable GST, you can put yes. Enter like this. Those who are looking for convert your Tally ERP9 to Tally Prime, you please call us. We can help you to upgrade Tally Prime. For Tally subscription update also we can support. Please call us at 9543198132 phone number. Say here masters. How to start? This is the create company. Create masters ledgers. Once you click this, you can create group. You can create ledger, currency, voucher type, whatever it is. Even stock items also you can create. If you want to enter voucher, go here to enter a voucher. Cash, say stationery, Alt C, stationery expense. Your sundries are indirect expense. Not applicable. Say 500. See, if you don't want to provide just details, just you have to alter this ledger. Here applicable, just press not applicable. That's it. It will not ask GST details while entering the transactions. See, it is not asking. Being paid amount for stationery. Okay friends, this is the way you have to enter. I will show you one more entry, sales account. I am going to create one new company, one new ledger. Here only the sales. Here I am create one customer ledger. Say example customer 1, Alt C. Customers comes under sundry debtors. Okay. Tamil Nadu, India. Okay. If you have GST number, you can enter here. Okay. Delivery note, I am not providing here now. It is only the demo purpose. Say here item number 1. Item, it may be whatever the item. Primary, okay. Units, create here. Say numbers. Say kgs, kilograms. Decimal place if you want say here kgs, decimal place is 3, so grams also will comes. Alter GST detail, description, say whatever you wish, suppose coffee 0901, taxable say yes, tax is 5%. Say here I am entering 100 pages, that is 200 310 rupees per kilo. Okay, particulars, here list of ledgers, which ledger it goes to, that is I am going to create one sales ledger. Say create, Alt C, sales at 5%, that group is sales accounts. Okay, applicable. Okay, say coffee HSN code 901, taxable, so this is goods. Then CGST, IGST, CGST, create ledger CGST. Here it comes under group. You can enter as CGST 2.5%. Okay. Group comes under duties and taxes. Duties and taxes. The type of duty is GST. Okay. CGST means central tax. Here enter 2.5%. That's it. 775. Then SGST. You have to create. This ledger is not here, so press Alt C to create ledger. SGST 2.5%. 2.5%. Duties and taxes. Here GST. This is state tax. SGST means state tax. Here simply enter 2.5%. That's it. This is the way you have to enter GST taxable sales. Yes. Now I am going to one more entry, that is the purchase entry. The purchase, I am going to the supplier name. Here only the two ledgers are available, cash and customer. I am going to create one supplier name, that is supplier 1. Alt C, supplier 1. This comes under sundry creditors. Tamil Nadu. Regular. Here you have to enter GST number. For time being I am not entering now. Then proceed. supplier 1. That's it. Item 1, say 300 kgs, 165. Sales at 5%. List of ledgers. There is no purchase ledger as of now, so I am going to create one purchase ledger. Alt C to create new purchase ledger. Purchase 5%. This comes under group is purchase accounts. Applicable, this is not required because the item already have provided the tax details. Enter as it is. Taxable. CGST, then FGST. See, the tax will be automatically calculated. This CGST output input is not required. Just create two ledgers, CGST and FGST. If you have 18%, you have to create CGST 9%, FGST 9%, like that you have to create. Okay, fine. Go to ledger vouchers. Customer 1. Okay, fine. And then again go to where is this stock summary. Friends, the importance of Tally Prime is while entering the vouchers, in voucher mode you can see the ledger report or the stock report, whatever you wish. This feature is not available in Tally ERP 9, so you better to upgrade Tally Prime. This is the one of the most advantage. Thank you for watching this video. At this moment I am stopping this video. From tomorrow onwards we will upload more videos on this subject, Tally Prime. Thank you for watching. Bye.